In this video, you'll learn how to use Google Tasks for project management in a simple, structured way. Even though Google Tasks is a lightweight tool, with the right setup, it can handle surprisingly complex projects. We'll walk through how to organize your work, capture tasks directly from Gmail, and actually make time to do the work using Google Calendar. Let's start by structuring your hierarchy inside Google Tasks. By default, Google Tasks doesn't really have a project concept. Instead, it gives you task lists and subtasks, and we're going to treat those as our project building blocks. First, create project-specific lists. Rather than dumping everything into one giant My Tasks list, set up a dedicated list for each active project. For example, you might have one list for a website redesign, another for your quarterly marketing push, and another for internal operations. Giving each project its own list keeps your spaces clean and makes it easier to focus. When you're working on one project, you can switch to that list and instantly see only the tasks that matter for that work. Inside each list, use subtasks to represent the pieces of a bigger milestone. Create a main task that represents a milestone or phase like design phase complete or launch campaign assets. Under that main task, add subtasks for each granular action item you need to complete to reach that milestone. This gives you a clear top-level view while still breaking the work down into manageable chunks. One important detail to keep in mind: if you mark the parent task as complete, Google Tasks will automatically mark all of its subtasks as complete as well. So, before you check off a big milestone task, quickly confirm that all the individual subtasks under it are truly done. This helps you avoid accidentally hiding unfinished work. To stay on top of what matters most, use the star feature to mark high priority items. Starring a task allows you to create a kind of focus view across all your project lists, so you can quickly see the most important actions, regardless of which project they belong to. This is especially helpful at the start of your day, or when you feel overwhelmed and need to know what to tackle first. Next, let's talk about what you might call your workspace pipeline. The real power of Google Tasks is that you don't have to go to a separate app to manage it. It lives right inside tools you already use, like Gmail. When you're in Gmail and you receive an email that clearly requires follow-up or becomes part of a project, simply drag that email into the Tasks sidebar. Google Tasks will automatically create a new task that includes a direct link back to the original email. This is perfect for projects that are driven by client requests, approvals, or long email threads. Instead of searching your inbox later, you can just click through from the task directly to that email conversation. Now let's connect your tasks to your time using Google Calendar. A task without a time is basically just a wish. To make sure things actually get done, you want to put them on your calendar. On your desktop, open Google Calendar and click the tasks icon in the side panel. You'll see your task lists there. From here, you can drag individual tasks directly onto your calendar to block out specific work hours. This makes your plan realistic because you're not just listing work, you're assigning time to it. Google Calendar now supports durations for tasks, so you can set how long you expect each one to take, like 30 minutes or 60 minutes. This helps you visualize how much of your day a particular project will consume. If you drag several project tasks into the same day and they fill your calendar, that's a clear sign you might need to spread the work out. Finally, remember that everything stays in sync automatically. Any date or time you add to a task in Google Tasks will appear on your Google Calendar right alongside your meetings and events. This keeps your deadlines visible and ensures your project work is planned into your schedule, not just sitting in a list. By structuring your lists and subtasks, capturing tasks directly from Gmail, and time blocking in Calendar, you turn Google Tasks into a simple but effective project management system that actually supports the way you work every day.